My name is Lori Carey, and I'm the Executive Director of We Connect the Dots. We are excited to share with you the information regarding our upcoming program called CreatingSTEAM, being held this year at NYIT in Old Westbury. This is a program for students ages 13 to 18, and it's an exciting opportunity for kids to get exposed to the career opportunities that are coming in their future. There are many careers today that are being disrupted by automation and technology, and we are helping students to see and experience what those disruptions are creating as far as careers go, and what are the skills that they need to be successful. Opportunities like manufacturing, engineering, computer science, nanotechnology, anything that's new and innovative, we're going to expose the kids that into our summer program. The students will get to learn how to build a 3D printer. And you might ask, why would we teach kids to build a 3D printer? This is really about the skills in manufacturing and how manufacturing is being disrupted by 3D printing, and how 3D printing is going to enable students to really get innovative, to be entrepreneurs, and to create prototypes and products on their own. So students who participate in this program will have an amazing opportunity to visit Microsoft offices, and in that visit they'll see many more innovative solutions and career opportunities. They'll get to speak to Microsoft resources who work in the field of computer science and engineering. To register for the program, simply go to weconnectthedots.org, and that is just weconnectthedots.org. And if you go to our program link or tab on that website, you'll see a program called CreatingSTEAM. You'll see it on our main page as well. We try to make it easy for you to find us, and you can register for the program there.